I press record. Okay, recording.
Alright. Round 1. Fight!
Oh shit. No, I'm out of here. No, Shadow. No, no, you don't.
Everyone, target Diesel, target Diesel.
Here we go
target
again.
him.
Here we go. Evo again being targeted by these pussies.
Target this fucker.
I'm out.
Oh, there goes Shadow. And there goes Diesel.
Are we dead ass?
It's just only me and Mitsaras.
Fucking teamers. Screw y'all, bruh. You bitches. Fucking teamers. That's crazy. Bro, why is your car disappearing, Mitsaras? What the fuck?
Every time when you collide with someone, it's like that.
Nah, when I'm like further distance. And his only car. Shadow. Let me record the fight, bro. I'm cameraman now. Let me record the fight.
Who's left? Returner and super fast.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know you can switch to camera mode, right?
Well, that's some bullshit. Shadow, you fucking
can't- you-
curva. Let me.
You can switch to camera mode, bro.
Useless.
What do you mean useless? It's nice.
It doesn't work, by the way. The command that you told me to remove my HUD doesn't work.
No, the camera. There's a camera mode, idiot.
Oops. Well, how can I remove my HUD? Holy shadow ramming.
Oh no.
Oh. Returner gonna get cooked? Maybe. Returner's getting cooked.
Definitely gonna cook.
Some
Yup.
He's getting cooked.
No.
He's getting cooked. Damn, that he was strong.
Yeah, it is strong, but not. Yeah.
Super was all-wheel
And
drive.
there he goes.
Yeah.
Turner's out.
All right, super fast round one.
Zero.
I'm about to run the
real
living
wheel
shit
drive.
out of Shadow. Come here, boy. Yeah, that's right.
KSF. All right, gather
Shadow's
up.
definitely out. Shadow's gonna definitely chase me. Hang on, let me do a cool ass
Alright.
drift.
All right, gather up for round 2.
Oh, bruh. I know we're farming today, bro. Hell no.
Ready?
Yep. And he's gonna say target DJ as soon as the round starts.
Round 2. Fight! Target Diesel.
There it is.
Target him.
There it is. Shadow out.
No, I don't think he's out, bro.
What do you mean that much was went off the line? Oh
Yeah,
no,
it has to be.
fuck you.
It has to be all 4 wheels off. It has to be all 4 wheels
No.
off the ring. If you have
Get away
one
from
wheel
me.
on the ring, then you're still in.
No.
Oh, I just took 2 cars out. I just took 2 cars out.
Why y'all targeting me? Why y'all targeting the most wanted evil?
Target.
Are we dead ass?
No.
Should I keep it?
Oh no!
Bitch,
It's only-
target me, target me, fuck you.
So it's Kribana and Shadow?
I got fucking fried like a chicken. God damn it.
Oh, of course you have to mention chicken, not fried chicken.
Yep. Fuck.
Fried chicken with watermelon.
Shut up. You fucking you tell them all to target me and they actually do, but when I say it, it's
Up. Shadow won.
Shadow, congrats.
Winner round 2.
I get her up middle, ladies.
No, this is fun.
Boy, shut your mouth and get in the middle.
Yes.
Yo, next event, let's do Hot Pursuit. Come on.
We will vote. Right. King super fast. Ready?
Typical returner. What do you mean 5? I literally said your name right.
Alright. It's not right, bro. It has to be Y, idiot. Round 3. Fight!
3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be interesting.
No! Come here, Jew.
Of course he targets me.
No.
There's no way you're still in. There is
I
no way
was
you're
in,
still
I was
in.
in.
Yep, no.
Get out.
Oh, Krubana's out.
No, son.
Oh, I saw someone go through.
Diesel! Oh, hell no!
More on your shit. No!
Oh, there he goes.
No.
Yes, good job, Shadow.
Oh, holy teamers. Holy
No!
teamers.
No!
Yeah,
No!
bitch. Yeah, bitch. Get out.
Oh.
TV little shit.
Oh well.
You little teamer.
Let me use my... I guess I'll use my camera.
Fucking teamer.
Camera is so... To the point that camera is so slow, bro.
They need to buff the speed of it.
Yeah, they do. It's also 1v1.
No. Tough.
Bro. Shadow and the Saruhans is a Porsche and the Evo.
I was literally aura farming on the Turner, bro. Until Shadow kicked me out.
I think the Porsche has more power, but the Evo has more grip on the dirt.
Porsche is fast, though. I'm gonna go with you.
I think that Porsche that he has is an S2 or something.
No, it's an S2.
It can go S2 actually.
Shibana, is this S2?
It's Saruhan.
Wait, didn't he use this
Shadow? Shadow is an A class, by the way.
He's an crazy.
And he's cooking, y'all.
It is S2.
He's in 699. 699.
Yeah, everyone is S1 except for Shadow, I think. And he's cooking right now. He has less power. Oh, he's out. There he goes. Two in a row.
Get her up in the middle, ladies. Oh, you useless piece of shit.
Round 4 winner. So after that, we're gonna do, you know, either football with these cars, Outbreak with the Evo X only, or Hot Pursuit or Heist.
Oh, let's go.
But there are 2 heists: Supercar Heist or the Classic Car Heist.
Brigandanga, what the fuck is that name?
I don't know. Round 4.
Hurry it up, you fucking white boy, hurry it up.
Fight!
3, 2, 1. Come on, say my name.
Target Diesel!
There it is.
Target Diesel!
There it is.
Target him!
What was that?
Or farming on your ass. I'm good.
There's no way. Oh my god, Shadow, you're a bitch! Oh my god!
And the setup is dead.
It's Shadow and...
What's happening?
You just ate shit, bitch.
I got flat shot by Shadow.
That's what you
It's
get.
Shadow versus
That's what you get.
It's Shadow versus
Holy
King Superfast.
Holy Subaru, brother.
Subaru has more power.
Oh, nice.
It's all-wheel drive, so yeah.
Oh, head-on collision. Oh shit.
Yeah, King Superfast has a better car than Shadow, but it's all about the skill. It's not about racing. Nightriderz online.
Ooh. But this boy went. I mean, we started without him, so.
Yeah, we can leave the event then.
He's trolling Shadow though. Oh. Brake check on that shit.
Oh. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Oh. Nice recovery here. Nice recovery.
Nah, he's dead, bro. No way.
Holy troll here.
No.
That is crazy.
No, I'm getting this on clip too.
Absolute cinema. Are you using the camera?
Nah, I'm just like doing my car cam. Moving, so. Why will I do the cam, bro? It's literally slow. Why will I use the cam? It's slow as fuck.
I mean, they're not moving anywhere anyway.
Just using my car's camera to record them.
You just use your third mouse.
Tell me, what the fuck
Use
is
it.
the third mouse doing?
Use the middle one, not the left, not the right click. Just use the middle one. It's faster.
Useless though. Wow.
Yeah, it's still a brawl here between those two. Come on.
Shadow drifting around him.
Yeah, Shadow wants to.
Nah, he's aura farming.
He wants to get that piece of bread. He's actually less power. He has less power than the.
I'm pretty sure that Shadow is trying to get that last piece of bread.
But the Evo is so good around the on these events. Subaru is kind of. Oh! There he goes.
He's out.
He's out. Hat trick.
Subaru has terrible braking, really.
Stun in the A class, by the way.
Nightriderz quit the game at this point.
In A class, he's using A class. He has the lowest power car.
King super fast.
And
Quit the game, son. Quit the game.
And he's literally cooking us with the slowest car. Yeah.
Bro, we're getting cooked in the slowest car in the world. Ain't no fucking way.
Yeah.
Of course he wants me. Man, back off with your gay ass. I swear to God, you're gayer than.
Round 5.
Get in the fucking line, lady. That's I'm talking about you, Shadow.
Fight!
Here we go again.
Target Shadow. Target Shadow. Target Shadow. Target him. Target Shadow. Target him.
Oh my God.
Get him out. Get him out.
Don't you fucking. I got him.
Change of plans. Target Diesel. Target Diesel now.
Oh my God, of course. Piss off, you piss boys. No.
Diesel.
Fuck, he's on my ass.
Move, please.
No.
There he goes. Oh my God! Of course! Holy back shots!
That's what you get. That's what you get. That's what you
Holy back shots, brother!
Well, now there's like 4 of them.
Yeah, there's still 4 of them. I killed you and then Shadow killed me.
That's what you get,
Of
bitch.
course.
Revenge.
Man, fuck you.
Revenge kill.
Avenge. Oh. Saruhan's still in.
Damn. Holy ramming. I'm watching this close in person. That are all.
Oh my God. Holy ramming up. There goes Saruhan.
Shadow's still in.
Shadow is cooking right now. He's cooking. He almost got.
Oh, what? How?
His strategy is so broken. Yeah, the Evo is so good in this game.
You took me out though, you bitch. You fucking targeter.
Yeah, of course.
Holy Kribana getting teamed on. Kribana 2v1, no way.
Oh! That was close. That was so close.
Oh, Kribana gonna get cooked. Kribana, you're cooked, bro. GG's.
No,
son.
he missed. He missed.
Okay, that's just some luck.
That's
insane
crazy.
luck.
Oh. You're switching targets here. Holy ram.
Kribana juking the shit.
Oh no.
Kribana's still in.
Bro, yeah, that Evo is broken. Yeah, that Evo is so broken, bro.
No way. Kribana, get moving. Shadows on your cheeks. Damn.
Oh.
Super fast.
Subaru's like can reverse decently.
Oh, there goes Kribana. So it's again 1v1.
No way, no
Come
way.
on,
no,
come on,
it's like
come on,
reverse
come on,
this.
come on. Holy reversing. Yeah, his strategy is broken. That is next level he's just pushing him.
This.
Yeah, I know, it
Bro,
does.
whenever
Does have
hits,
quite-
whenever King Superfast hits his car, he literally doesn't move an inch. Bro,
No, Shadow doesn't move an inch.
that's what I'm saying. Bro is literally invincible. Nope, he's out.
Oh, there he goes. It's King Superfast.
Wait, Shadow won again?
Nope, it's King Superfast.
Thank fuck. Shadow, he broke your streak, gang. He broke your streak.
They were both out, but it was Shadow who was out first.
Shadow, he broke your streak. How you feel about it, gang? He broke your streak. Returner, get in here, you fat piece of shit. Get in.
I'm writing down the fucking details. Hold up.
Get in, you fucking.
I still had a steak. I had a steak, guys. He had a steak, not streak, steak. 25 diesel points. Ready? Oh, really? Okay. Round 6. Fight! Target Shadow. Target Shadow, guys. Target Shadow. Target Shadow. Target Shadow, guys.
No.
Just the breaking of this paradise broken.
No, I missed. No.
So I'm almost in super fast on this car.
Ah, he reversed.
I was so light.
Oh shit! Oh, this is chaos.
It is. Angel.
No, shut up. Bro,
Yeah, he can't kill. Bro, Shadow is almost impossible to kill. His strategy is just insane. He just always taps the brakes.
Is Angel still on that? Still
I'm
on?
dead.
No, he's dead. He got killed. Holy targeting!
3v1, son. Y'all lose this, I swear to God, y'all need to pack up and leave the game.
Bro, I'm getting targeted right now. Oh god.
Why are y'all targeting Returner? Focus on Shadow.
Shadow's dead.
Alright, get Returner next.
Screen went black. Skill issue.
Couldn't see.
Jews. Of course he had to mention it.
Wait, so Returner? Oh, Returner's still there.
No, I'm still in. I'm still in.
Son, 2v1
Oh,
Returner.
shit.
You need to back it up if you lose. 3v1.
Oh, there you go.
Never mind.
It's now a 1v1.
Oh no.
It's
It's Saruch and Returner.
Oh, okay. I guess my life is on the line.
That Porsche
Okay,
is
better.
fast.
Yeah, that Porsche is fast. You can't even catch it. But I have better maneuverability.
What are you trying to do, buddy?
Yeah, he's trying to do that.
Shit.
He's doing that bullshit. Ole!
Nah.
Yeah. Because you can't stop, you can't brake.
Saruch is juking your ass. Oh, it's gonna be a big head on. Sanio. He juking your ass. Oh.
Nope.
Oh.
It's like, no,
What?
still-
You didn't get out? What?
No, he did.
No.
He did.
You.
No, I didn't.
It's not even close.
Yeah, I thought bro was out. Oh shit.
Ah! I'm gay.
Alright, back in the formation, ladies.
Right,
How
Diesel.
much do we do? By the way.
I don't know. Gay. XD. Alright. Ready?
Wait,
Let's go,
that
you
round
Jew.
sec.
Okay, Drew. Alright, gather up, pussies.
And he's gonna target me 100%. Wait, are we missing someone?
No.
Alright.
Round 6 done, now time for round 7. Round 7.
Tablet.
Fight!
Saru, we can talk about this.
Of course, this Jew targets him. That was close. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There goes Diesel.
Of course. Oh fuck.
And of course, Shadow targets me! Oh my god.
Two of you were almost out there, by the way.
Saru got a triple kill.
Yeah, the two of you were almost out. Oh, it's Saru and me only that.
Yep, he got a triple kill.
What the fuck am I supposed
Holy
to do?
shit!
What the,
2 in a row.
what the fuck am I supposed to do? I'm like fucking.
You're not him, bro. Don't steal my line.
I'm surprised he doesn't rage.
Yeah, a typical Japanese car. Of course, you have to do a kamikaze. Round 8. Alright, we're gonna do.
By the way, someone's out. I don't know who's out.
Nah.
That's-
From outside.
Alright, let's go, you Jews. Come on, let's go, Jews.
Wait. Wait. He wants to start from outside.
From here? Are you sure?
Neondos.
What do you think? What do you say, Upton?
Okay, alright, let's do it. Alright, pick your corner.
Here.
Corner.
I'm gonna go from here, even though I'm gonna get fucked.
Okay, no. Alright, collision's not allowed until we get in.
I bet. I thought you said pack. I thought you said pack for a second.
Greek. Ready? Alright,
Ready, nigga.
round
Let's go.
8. This is actually a good idea, honestly.
Let's go, nigga. Let's go.
Shut up! Fight! No collision until everyone is in. Alright, everyone's in. Let's go.
And I'm up first. Okay. Deadass.
Oh my god, there's no way.
Shadow. I swear to God, in hot pursuit, I'm gonna rape you if you're a racer.
There they go. Double kill.
And you have only setup left.
Damn. I have to deal with this guy again. Yeah, that Porsche is fast.
Ah, Shadow, I'm gonna rape you. Oh, Shadow, I'm gonna rape you in a moment. If we're doing hot pursuit, you're cooked. I'm gonna rape your ass.
839 overall. Yeah, both of those Porsches are 839.
Yeah.
S2.
Damn, about to go rammed. No.
Oh, holy reversing. That is crazy. Yeah, there's no chance with that Porsche. That Porsche is fast as fuck.
But it started singing.
Yeah, I have that Porsche on my ass. Oh. There he go. There he goes. He's out.
No, he wasn't.
No, he's out. All four wheels. He was all four wheels.
Return finally got a win. Congratulations, you got a piece of bread.
All four wheels.
Return, we're doing everything for that last piece of bread. Everything.
Yeah, literally. Alright, we're doing the same. We're doing the same as the previous round. Right. Ready? This is actually better.
I'm gonna do it for
Round 9, 2 more rounds. Fight!
Ah, let's go, niggas.
Wow, holy N-word.
Missed. Oh no. Why is the turn coming after me?
Kribana didn't even win a single up there. There he goes. No.
Almost had a chance to get rid of Saturday, but
Bro, why didn't Saru get in?
Saru's out, I think.
Oh.
He's out.
I don't know.
Kribana gone. Now it's...
No!
I just clipped that too, that's
No!
crazy. Shadow, I just clipped
You
it too,
got
by the way.
You gotta be kidding me.
I just clipped that also. I literally just clipped that, no way.
Alright, pick your corner.
I'm doing it from here again.
Alright.
Only these are now you haven't won anything in the round, so.
Alright. Final round.
Go, you nigger.
Fight!
Alright, let's go, Juice. Everything for that. I'm dead.
Wait, someone. Well, you just out.
Up there goes Digital. There goes
No
Digital.
one didn't. Nah, Return. No one was in the ring and super fast already kicked
They were
me
all.
out.
They were already in the ring, bro.
Are we serious?
Yeah,
before you got
Are
kicked
we
out.
dead ass?
Yep. The rule states that if you get kicked out before everyone's in the ring, then yeah, it's not allowed. But everyone was in. God! Oh! Almost.
Somehow you just
Oh,
recovered
Shadow
so
coming
fast.
for your ass, boy.
Holy shit!
This hit my car so back, dude, but
Damn, Saru. Saru, no. Oh shit. Oh.
Kribana didn't win a single round.
I'm surprised. Why not? Shadow's out.
What? Shadow's out.
Damn. Finally, in like, what, 20 years took him? Oh, nice juke, Kribana. Oh shit. Oh my god, Rampage on steroids. Oh, no way.
How the no way. No fucking way. There he goes. He's out. There's only 3 of us left. Oh, I have to deal with 2 Subarus.
Oh.
No.
Get him, keep running.
No! 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 There is no way. No! No! No!
Lucky ass, bro. You surviving. You're about to get pushed too. Oh shit. No.
Oh shit! No! 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 I'm getting targeted! I'm getting targeted by those two Subarus.
Team return up. What is Shadow doing, gang? Shadow just ran my ass.
Holy targeting. It's crazy.
Holy shit.
Holy targeting. Holy targeting.
Krivana, what the fuck? Oh.
This is literally the last fight for that bread.
No, piece of crouton return, not bread, piece of crouton. Okay, so your hit can go fuck themselves.
No!
What? How is return not out yet? Oh.
Oh, there goes Krivana.
Wait, wait.
Not again, bro. 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 Again.